Hello friends, this is Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make sambar, and after making sambar I'll be also teaching you wheat pancakes, that's wheat dosas. For sambar we need vegetables, capsicum I have taken, onion I have taken, potato I have taken, and drumsticks also I have taken. If some prefer sweet sambar, they can put carrot also, pumpkin also they can use, but you can use any vegetables for this. Then you have to keep lady fingers separate for frying. Onions, we'll put one onion in this, two onions separate to put with lady fingers. Then spices, coriander powder 2 to 3 teaspoons, red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, salt as per taste, I have taken 2 teaspoons, then turmeric powder and asafoetida powder, that is hing. Then here I have the sambar dal, which is generally used for making sambar. Then this is tamarind. This is also called arahar dal. You can get it in any shop. Then for starting frying you have to need mustard seeds, curry leaves and methi seeds. Use methi seeds only, not leaves. And then we need water. For that for cooking we need a cooker also and a pan, thick bottom pan. Now I am going to boil the dal, cook the dal with water in the cooker. It's almost 1 to 2 cups of dal. With that I will add the water. Almost 1 liter of water. Then you don't have to add the salt with this. You just have to add the asafoetida powder, hing and the turmeric powder. Salt we'll put with the vegetables. We'll mix once and then switch on the rest. It's always better to half cook the dal, because if we put vegetables and dal together, the vegetables become mushy and that will make the sambar look very bad. That's why we will put in medium flame and put the cooker's lid, and till 1 whistle we will leave it like that only. So after 1 whistle we will take it out. We'll open the cooker if it has opened. Let's check. As you can see, our cooker is opening. As you can see, our cooker has opened. As you can see, dal should be like this. It has nicely cooked. Now to this we will add the vegetables. You have to be very careful because the water will be splashing. We'll put the vegetables and mix it, and we'll put the salt but not the spices now, because we will be putting some spices with the frying vegetables. See, almost 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt I am putting, but salt is as per your taste. If you want more salt, you want more salt, less salt, and that's it. Done. Now after putting vegetables, we will mix it once and again keep for 1 whistle. See, our cooker is getting ready. So till that time we will make the fried vegetables, that is we will put the oil. It has heated up very nicely. Now we'll put the mustard seeds, methi seeds and the curry leaves. can see the fluttering sound has started coming now itself because it was nicely hot. Now we'll add the onions. That will reduce the sound is coming, and we'll mix it properly because it should not burn. As you can see, our maple seed should be this color, golden brown. Mix the onions nicely, it should be soft. Now we'll put the lady fingers. One thing you should remember, you should never put the cut lady fingers to water. It will become sticky and it will look very bad. That's why we fry it with the onions and not put in the, because it releases some chemicals which will make it stick with others. Now you can see it's not sticking with anything. Mix it properly. I'll now cover it and leave it in medium flame to cook for almost 5 to 6 minutes. Now I am removing the lid. You can see the lady fingers have become soft. They have started changing their color. You can see light green means it is cooking. We don't have to make the lady finger too soft. It should be like this, because it will, or else it will lose its crunchiness. Then we'll add the spices, coriander powder and red chili powder. Now you can hear the whistle. Our vegetables are also getting ready. In the meantime, we got our fried vegetables also ready. We'll mix it then till the onions and ladyfinger get soft. In the meantime, take out the tamarind pulp and filter it and keep it in a bowl like I have kept it, as you can see. Now I'll add that also. So as you can see, we have to first roast it fully. I was 1, 2, 3. Now you can do it into medium flame. As I was telling you to put the tamarind pulp. Now you can put, after roasting it completely. As you can see, I have taken out the pulp. In this way our masalas will not burn also, and we'll get a very tangy taste also. Now you have to cover it and keep it for some time. As you can see, we have mixed it nicely. We'll lower the flame and cover it for some time. Now you can see our cooker has opened, and see all the vegetables have softened very nicely. Now we'll mix it and check it with a spoon. And see, all vegetables have become soft and cooked properly. Now we'll add these vegetables to the fried vegetables. Slowly we'll add it. Now you can see we have mixed it. You can see it was yellow color, and when we mixed it into the fried vegetables, the red color is coming. That shows that our sambar is getting ready. We'll just mix it properly, nicely, and keep for some time to boil. Cover it for some time. Now you can see our sambar is ready because it has started boiling and all the vegetables have cooked properly. Now we'll garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. So our Today's special sambar is ready. You can eat it with dosa, sambar. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and don't forget to share. Cook with Appu will be sharing you more recipes. Thank you.